Okay, this is a video of my 89 RS and the sound, wonderful sound that it makes. I'm no mechanic, but I know that is not good. Or wait, I can get it to stop only one way. I know that qualifies for a rebuild. I was told Rod Knock by one person, and by a mechanic I was told severe internal engine trouble. As if I didn't know that, because that's not good. But does anybody know specifically what that is? I know, Rod Knock,